Once you have decided on your research question and the study you will use, you will need to think about how you are going to analyze the data. The Learning Hub gives you a beginner-friendly overview of some of the main techniques used to analyze data from longitudinal studies. We created a series of 4 animations which provide simple explanations of analytical techniques, illustrating why different research questions require different methods, which will help you decide on the most appropriate approach. The first animation provides an introduction to analyzing longitudinal data. The other 3 animations cover regression analysis, multi-level and growth curve modeling, and survival analysis. Also, on this part of the Learning Hub, there is a link to our teaching datasets pages, where you can find practical exercises and a link to a more detailed guide to different types of regression analysis, including logistic regression and multinomial regression. You can use the glossary to help you decipher some of the more technical aspects of data analysis. To learn more about using data from longitudinal studies in your research, visit the Closer Learning Hub.